Hello, today we are going to solve the question based on the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is used for the quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is a non-zero coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant number. So if we have to find the solution of this, then we use the formula. We can use a direct formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac. This is a complete root of b square minus 4ac and over 2a. When we talk about a quadratic equation, generally the graph is like this. This is upward. It may have a downward graph also, this one. And when we talk about the solution or solve, it means we are trying to find the coordinate where the curve is crossing x-axis. So that is the basic things we are going to do, and this coordinate we can find using this formula. This formula is helpful because if you are using the factorization method, if you are using graphical method or any other method, I think this is one of the best formula to be used, which shows you the type of the graph. It is crossing at 1 point, at 2 points, it's not crossing at all. So let's take a question and try to solve it. I'm taking part H, and the question is 2x square plus 11x is equal to 5x square minus 18. First, I have to arrange this in the order of ax square. So this is 5x square. I can take this one here. This is 5x square minus 2x square. Then 11x I can also take here, minus 11x and minus 18. This will remain 0. So 5x square minus 2x square is 3x square minus 11x minus 18 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form. First is x square, then x, then constant. Now I have the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, and the constant term. So coefficient of x square is generally a, coefficient of x is b, and coefficient of the constant term is always c. They are supposed to be taken with their sign. Now we are trying to find the formula. The formula we know, we are trying to put these numbers in the formula. My advice to you is first you find what is b square minus 4ac. It makes the question bit easy. So b square. So this is minus 11 square minus 4. A is 3 and c is minus 18. So 11 square is 121. This minus and minus plus. Now 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply 18. So that is 216. And if I add it, it is 337. I don't think it is a square number. Anyway, we are going to use it here. So x is minus b is minus 11 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 337. over 2a, 2 multiply 3. So that is equal to 11 plus root 337 over 6. Now you can use your calculator directly and you can write the values of x. One is 11 plus over 6 and another one is 11 minus over 6. Let me calculate these values. So this is 18.357. 18.357. You need not to calculate it right this. You can use your calculator and directly you can write these values, which I'm getting is I think we have to write up to 3 significant. So I'm going to write 4.89, and this value is negative 1.23. So that's how we are going to use the quadratic formula. This portion is called a quadratic formula. So whenever it asks you a question to solve using quadratic formula, you have to solve using this one. My advice is it is good if you calculate it separately, so the chances of doing a mistake is very little. Even if you want, you can calculate the root just here, 18.357, and you just write this step instead of, you can even forget about writing this step and you will get the full marks. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe it and like this video. Thank you.